One system, any place. Get the power of VitXi. VitXi offers an innovative solution with its browser-based soft phone, which allows you to take your phone extension anywhere in the world. This powerful solution provides users with unprecedented freedom to work from anywhere with any device. With VitXi, you can move between different platforms and locations in no time at all. With its easy-to-use interface, it's the perfect tool for anyone who needs quick and convenient access to their phone extension, no matter where they're located. VitXi enables users to benefit from improved productivity and features, such as audio and video calls, call transfer, screen sharing, VitXi and SIP chat, presence in real time, file sharing, and more. VitXi will take your work environment wherever you need it. VitXi is a collaboration tool. It's incredible, easy to use, and can be accessed anywhere. Try VitXi now.